Hello once again. Today is a short video just to show you a device that I got yesterday on the radio club, which it was going to be thrown away, so I've grabbed it just to make this little video. Look at the size of this unit, and I haven't opened it yet, I haven't tested it yet, but from what it is, it's a tube voltmeter. Take a look at it. This is in the condition I received it, and as we can see, it's a vacuum tube voltmeter. It's a Hickok Model 110. By the looks of it, it has two ranges that goes from 1.5 volts up to 7500 volts. That's a lot. So this voltmeter could measure, as it says here, radio and television vacuum tube voltmeter. It could be used to measure very high voltage. This has the controls. It has the on-off switch, the pilot light, and then it has the range, a selector for AC and DC, and the balance. As you can see, this is the meter. And it's compared to the size of the unit, the meter is really small, and it has a needle there, which I think the movement it's okay. It can be seen there. I think it's moving. Yes, it's moving okay. So unfortunately, the glass here is broken. It had probably something smashed there, and all the three knobs are missing. This is very dirty. It has this. A ceramic stands off for the probes, which I don't have the probes. I don't have this here, so I don't know what's that. And this is a ground binding post. So I don't know. This is a short video to see what's inside, and I think I will not restore this unit. Although I think it depends on the condition it is inside. I haven't seen the condition inside, but let's take a look, and maybe it is or it isn't a candidate for a restoration. And also, if you want me to restore it, you just let me know. Let's open it up and see what's inside. This thing, I will put this here, so there. Okay, let's see. There. Let's see. This is the original color. It's like a blue. I don't know. Oh, this looks nice. This looks nice. Let's see. And it looks like it's in good condition. It doesn't seem to be very much messed around, except for this power cable. This is an F6K5 tube, and this is a 6X5 tube, if I'm not mistaken. This is the meter, and this is the capacitor can. I think these spots are maybe for calibrating each of the ranges. Let's turn it around, and this looks in really original condition. Oh, this is the high voltage resistor, which is in mint condition. Nobody's been here, but this is a bit loose. I don't know, but this looks really good, so no problem there. Yes, this is a bit loose. Maybe, I don't know if it's just because of the way it was constructed. And these resistors in series, in my opinion, look original, and maybe they're done that way to reach the appropriate value that they weren't getting with a normal resistor. So maybe that's okay. This is a power cord, but I think, yes, this is the side. Everything else, these are all those variable resistors, potentiometers we were looking at. These big resistors here look okay. They're very old one, but all the wiring looks original, so it may be a candidate for a restoration. Anyhow, I think this is a very interesting unit for the size and the range it has from 1.5 full scale to 7500 full scale. That's really interesting unit. I haven't seen something like that. Okay, till the next video. Bye bye.